I decided to go outside and sketch different parts of the farm, and I'd made these different ombre backgrounds earlier in a previous video, so I thought I'd have a go sketching with some ink and pastels. There's quite a lot of highlight along this particular corner edge here with the texture. Window panes. Even the window a bit. Well, especially the trees in the background. Because it's not going to be as bright as the white, and there is actually a bit of red going on in the sort of roof, so maybe that'd be quite fun to kind of show some red going through here. Oh, and this grating thing definitely has a little bit of red and orange going on. Lots of nice textures. And then maybe mix in with a bit of the white, because it does have a sort of a mottled white. Can you see all those different whites and greys? And with a bit of that black for just to show where the grass is. And then in the background you even have a bit of highlight just before it reaches the tree. Let's go a little bit more red on the roof, because I am liking that red feeling that's coming through. Oh yeah, and then this was red, so let's make all of that red. And then maybe the lighter part of it orange, just to show a bit of highlight. And then those pipes were brown, so go with the brown. But then they had that, the whole of them was black, so, and they weren't totally brown, they were bronze, so I had a bit of highlight just to highlight them. I quite like this tree here. I think it must have been hit by lightning, or the wind has taken out some of the branches, but it's just really twisted and old, and yeah, he's just a character, isn't he? Definitely belongs in Lord of the Rings. It's a very blue sky today, even though it's late autumn, and the willow tree in the background still got its leaves, but they're very dark. So I've made this background and I feel like it would suit because it's pretty orangey and it's got a strip of blue that kind of brings out the blue that's going on there. So maybe the last one I was a bit rushed, so maybe with this one I'll try and take a bit more care and then just wisps for shadow.
Very recent.
Oh, is it?
There's a lot of it going on.
So I've got this background that I made before and I'm using a Unity 0.7 pen.